Kumain na ba kayo? Hindi pala pwede mahaba speech. Pasensya na kayo. Meron akong isasakal ng alauna. Dating mag-ex-girlfriend, ngayon ay magiging mag-asawa na. So I have a schedule to, solemnize a wedding in the office scheduled at 1 p.m. So that's why I requested your organization. I can welcome you immediately upon arrival the city of Manila. To Engineer Frederick Francis M. Sison, National President, Engineer Florencio F. Padernal, DPA, Technical Conference National Vice President Chair and RTC Committee, Engineer Robinson A. Salenga, Executive Committee on Regional and Technical Conference, to Engineer Flora M. Ruiz, Regional Coordinator National Capital League, Engineer Flor Delisa S. Alampay, tagal kong nakasama yan sa gobyerno, President Lungsod ng Maynila Chapter. Maybe, retired ka na ba?
Malapit na, sir.
Oh, retired na. Tagal lang ako kakilala niya. 1998 pa yan. First time kong maging pumasok sa public service. Sa lahat ng ating mga past presidents, other officers, magandang tanghali po muli sa inyong lahat. Una ay nais ko magpasalamat. Ako'y ginawa niyong bahagi ng inyong makabuluhang programa ngayong araw na ito. And I hope this will continue for your organization to prosper and achieve its goal and aspiration for its members. Una sa lahat ay aminin ko po na hindi po ako eksperto pagdating sa civil engineering. Ang alam ko lang po mag-croquis. Lahat ng nakita ninyo na vertical development, modesty aside, lahat yan nagsimula sa croquis ng isang hindi engineer. Because when I try to build something na naiisip kong mabubuti sa ating mga kababayan, nagsisimula yan sa gabi. Pagtapos ng opisina, tinatawag ko na ang mga inhinyero, arkitekto, at magpo-croquis na. Hanggang sa mailagay nila sa buhay. Until the professionals like you, specialty in their field of undertaking, put into right perspective, will give us a very good perspective. Siguro kung makinarya ng kampanya, kung makinarya ng gobyerno pag-uusapan, siguro may ambag ako din. Pero sa mga konkretong tulay, drainage system, load-bearing structures, siyempre, kayo na yan. Ngunit, ito rin ang dahilan kung bakit naging mahalaga ang mga bagay na ito. Dahil ang pagkakataong natututo tayo sa isa't isa, may pagkakataong meron din akong natutunan sa inyo, kapwa nyo, mga inhinyero. Kasi minsan yung mga leader, mapagpangarap. Minsan naman hindi naman nababagay or hindi naman dapat gawin. Kasi na rin sa mga sinasabi ng mga espesyalista. Based on my experience. Kaya po, nandito ako, nakikisa sa inyo. At umasa naman kayo na patuloy akong at patuloy kong kukonsultahin ang mga katulad ninyo, lalong-lalo na sa paggawaing bayan ng ating lungsod. Mga ininyero, nangarap din po akong maging engineer. Opo. Kidding aside. Kasi ang gusto ko, maging kapitan ng barko. Nag-aral ako sa PMI, Philippine Maritime Institute. At marami rin engineering course. Kasi, yan eh. Sa ilalim, engineer. Sa ibabaw, yung mga naka-all white. Iba nga lang ang linya. Kasi gusto ko maging kapitan ng barko noon dahil pakiramdam ko, yayaman ako pag ako'y naging seaman. Dahil noong dekada 80, marami naman dito inabot yung dekada 80. Kasi pagpasok ko, puro bata nakita ko. Yung mga may edad naman dito, parang may asim pa eh. Noong dekada 80, dalawa lang ang pwede mong puntahan kapag katulad ko, galing sa wala. Pag babae ka, taka ng Japan, yayaman ka agad. Pag lalaki ka naman, dalawa naman ang pupuntahan mo. Mag Saudi ka, or mag-seaman ka. And I want to be captain, o maging ship captain. At doon, maraming engineering course. O BSM, Bachelor of Science in Marine Technology. Meron naman isa, BSME, Bachelor of Science in Marine Engineering. Ang eskwela namin ay PMI. At literal na PMI po yun. Kasi pamantasang malapit sa ilog. Ayan po, pagbaba ninyo dyan sa may Santa Cruz, makikita nyo yun. So, kayo yung mga profesional. Let me talk to you based on my experience. I've been in the government for almost magta-30 years na in the coming years. Almost. Basta more than a decade. Huwag na tayo magkwentahan. Mukhang mabibisto ninyo kung pinanganak ako 1974. Kasi kwenta po. More than half of my life was dedicated to public service. And I have experience working with professionals, especially engineers. And I just wanted to thank, if somebody here is working from the city government of Manila, for helping the city leaders to achieve their dreams and aspirations, to make it safe. At the same time, those structures, mga pagawain pa. Kung makikita po ninyo, modesty aside, during our first term as mayor, sabay-sabay, Condominium 1, Condominium 2, Pinondominium 1, San Lazaro Residence, San Sebastian Residence, and Pedro Hill Residence. Hospital ng Maynila, 10-story, fully air-conditioned public hospital. All those residences, 15-story, 20-story in-city vertical housing. Albert Elementary School, 10-story, fully air-conditioned public school. Manila Science, just across this upper, 10-story. Rosauro Almario Elementary School. Magsaysay High School, na hindi pa tapos. Sad to say. Pero lahat ng binanggit ko natapos yun ng 2 taon. Noong unang termino. Naiwanan ko lang yung Magsaysay. And I thought it's going to be finished while I'm not around. Since 3 years have passed, still there on the paper. But I guarantee you, if you're a family living in that area, tatapusin ko yan. We'll resume construction by December 2026. May regalo ko yan sa mga. Why did I mention all those buildings, those vertical development? That one addresses minimum basic needs. So it started with a vision. It started an idea wherein leader or a government, for that matter, will address MBN, minimum basic needs. Housing, education, healthcare, and jobs. Yung apat na yun. At doon, para makamit ko, maibalik. Tulad ko na dating squatter sa Tondo, na walang pag-aaring bahay, walang pag-aaring lupa. Pero, nung araw, kahit kami mahirap, para kaming mayaman. Kasi meron po kaming asyenda. Bulubundukin at umuusok pa. Ganun po kami kayaman. At kami po ay stockholder ng Meralco at Nawasa. Those things experienced in my life pushed me to be a better administrator of the city by bringing and giving back dignity to every Nileño family in the city of Manila. Mapalad ako na nagkaroon ako ng mga guro. Maaring iba sa inyo dito yung guro na rin. Tuturo kayo sa inyong profesyon. Ako'y nagabayan, aking practical experience ay nadagdagan ng theoretical experience. So napagsama ko, that's why through the effort of your profession as civil engineers, as architects, those people behind it, na hindi nyo nakikita. Na nakikita nyo lang si Cois, o si Presidente, si Governor, or si Congressman. Na hindi nakikita yan ng taong bayan. Without you guys, wala yan. Mananatiling nasa krokis lang yan. Kaya, on behalf of the City of Manila, those who have served us, fulfill our dreams and aspirations for our people. Thank you very much sa lahat ng mga civil engineer ng aming lungsod. At kayo naman, nagtungo kayo dito sa Maynila, and I was asked to welcome you. Now, this will be an official statement of your city government. Welcome po kayo sa Maynila, mga civil engineer sa buong NCR. Tapos na yung trabaho kong i-welcome kayo. May isa pa akong trabaho kong gusto kong top-date. Sana, habang kayo'y nasa Maynila, pwede ba gumastos naman kayo? Oh. Because gusto kong laging palaguin ang mga hanap buhay sa lungsod. Because to address the fourth requirements, my dreams and aspirations for the city. Create roofing, giving back dignity. The children will go to very good school with enough facility. The father and the mother will go to work. And kung ang pamilya nagkasakit, may eskwela, may pagamutan para sa kanila. Now, if you spend every peso in the city of Manila while you're here, that will boost our businesses. And if that thing happens, they will need more jobs. And we are ready to take jobs. Take those jobs for those businesses in the city. Kaya, pag may ganitong convention, excited akong umuo. Total, isa magbayad kayo sa akin ng picture-picture. Oh. Masasal kayo, punta kayong Divisoria, maluwag na Divisoria. Oh. Punta kayo dyan sa Binondo, Chicha, lahat ang masarap yan, yung food trip. Oh. Pinaka-the best na hopya. Mamimili ka, Engbitin, Poland, name it. Oh? When you go to Malate, we have malls here. Oh? When you go to, in front of this area, no? Andyan yung aming Intramuros, maganda. Mamasyal na kayo, dali nyo yung jowa nyo. Baka kasama nyo ngayon. O baka yung nililigawan ninyo, baka dyan kayo masagot sa makasaysayang Intramuros or Port Santiago. But kidding aside, yes, I really wanted you to enjoy Manila. In fact, kung di ako nagkakamali, lang ko lang ha, most of you nag-aral sa Maynila. Then you have a story to tell. Because, you know, Manila is old. If you come and look at it, no question, the oldest, highly urbanized city in the country. Yes, we are old, but we have a lot of history. And almost, if not all, most at least, Filipinos has a story to tell about the city of Manila. Kasi naging bahagi ninyo ang lungsod ng Maynila sa inyong buhay. So, I want you to spend and enjoy your time in the city of Manila. In our own little way as a city government, for your organization, you have our support. Anytime nakakailangan ninyo kami, pindutin nyo lang si Debbie, nandiyan kami sa inyong kodli. But for now, I want you to enjoy your stay in the city. And I wish that this day and the coming days, and other events that you will hold in the city of Manila, maging produktibo sa bawat isa sa inyo. Pumanatag kayo sa Maynila while we are old. We have a lot of history, but we wanted to make it pleasant. Ang pangarap ko sa mga taga-Maynila, maging maaliwalas ang aming lungsod, panatag ang pamumuhay, dahil uubusin ko lahat ng Tolonges dito sa lungsod. Makamit lang ng mamamayang naninirahan, dumadako o dumadaan sa aming lungsod ang kapanatagan habang sila ay nasa syudad ng the same manner. We wanted business to strive because there's a lot of opportunity in the city of Manila. We don't produce anything, but we distribute everything. Just so you know, even your raw materials going to the provinces, it will pass through here in the port of Manila. That's how big we are. On top, much more opportunity. With proper guidance and certainty of rules, and with the help of our fellow public servants in Manila City, I think with your help also, together all of us, someday we'll achieve and can make Manila great again. Muli, welcome kayo sa Maynila. Maraming salamat sa pagkakataon na ito. Hangad ko ang inyong tagumpay sa inyong karera. Kaligtasan at kalusugan sa inyong pamumuhay. Umasa kayo in our own little way. Your city government is behind you all the way. Kung may maitutulong kami, huwag kayong mahiya. Handa kaming tulong. Maraming salamat sa araw na ito. Pagpalain nawa kayo ng Pong May Kapal. Manila, God first. Thank you.